Hindi man ganun kadami ang pwedeng puntahan sa Kuwait para mag-ride, but for us, a motorcycle group ride is an exciting way to explore open road while sharing the journey with fellow riders, the freedom and the brotherhood. It's not about the destination, it's about the ride, the bond and the story we collect along the way. Kaya para sa amin ay sobrang exciting ang bawat biyahe, may thrill ang bawat ride. Pero alam nyo ba na may mas ititrill pa? Yun ay pag nagkaroon ng konting aberya. Usually ang aming ride ay nagsisimula sa proper sequence. Include greetings, peace bomb, pray, and briefing. But today ay walang naganap. 4:30 AM nga nang nagsimula tayo mag-roll out. And this is the first time na walang na-late at nakalis tayo ng sakto sa oras. Pero hindi pa man kami nakakalabas ng main road, uy tol, may mga dumiretso. Tol Frank, naririnig mo ako? Tol, tigil ka muna dyan sa unahan. In this moment, we had no idea kung sinong member na dumiretso. But as a member of the group, it was our responsibility to stop and wait for the one who got separated. However, since the area were restricted and not safe, the group decided to move forward and just meet up with the lost member at the first stop instead. So we continue heading toward Jabber Bridge, but it's only 90 km per hour, hoping na aabutan niya tayo. Ngunit mahigit 30 minutes na tayo sa biyahe ay kulang pa rin tayo. Once again, we decided to stop sa gilid ng Jabber Bridge. At dahil maaga pa naman at di pa sumisikat ang araw ay bumaba muna tayo para kumuha ng mga picture at video na mala drone effect. Hanggang sa naramdaman natin na hindi safe sa lugar dahil sa bilis ng mga sasakyan na dumaraan. Kaya di na tayo nagsayang ng oras at umalis na rin tayo papunta sa ating first stop. At dahil sobrang linis ng kalsada at isang mahabang diretso ay kanya-kanya na muna silang liparan. Habang si Tol Frank at si Tol Uno ay nagpaiwan muna para hintayin ang naligaw na miyembro. 5:20 AM pa lang nang dumating tayo sa ating first stop. Dito muna tayo tatambay at magkukwentuhan habang inaantay ang tatlong miyembro. Hanggang sa ilang sandali pa ay dumating na si Tol Uno at si Tol Frank, kasama ang naligaw na miyembro. Ang utol nating si Paris. Base sa kanyang kwento ay may dalawang rider na dumiretso na ang buong akala niya ay kasama natin. 1 hour before nga ay matatandaan na nagbiro ako at mistulang naging totoo.
First time magra-ride itong dalawang to. First time. Nalalayan nito ha. Nalalayan yung first time magra-ride.
At dahil kumpleto na nga tayo ay dito na magsisimula ang mahabang kwentuhan kasama ang mainit na kape sa mainit na umaga.
Kaya pala hindi nasama sa ride, namumusit.
You don't want to ride man, this is over there.
Yung mga first timer oh. First timer na nawala.
Ray, ano masasabi mo sa first ride mo? Bagal nyo. Naligaw kayo? Naligaw kayo? Paglutan, hataw agad.
Sabi ko lang, first time rider, alalayan nyo, hindi nyo inalalayan. Dumiretso tuloy.
Dito tayo ngayon sa ilalim ng Sheikh Jaber Al Ahmad Al Sabah Causeway or mas kilala sa tawag na Jabber Bridge. Ito lang naman ay considered as the fourth longest sea bridge in the world na may haba na 48.5 km. One of the most iconic structure in the Middle East, stretching an incredible massive causeway that connect Kuwait City to Subahiyya in the north with the side road of the Doha district. As we ride across, it feels like we are floating over the sea. The road stretches straight ahead, surrounded by nothing but water and sky. No traffic, no noise, no distraction, just the wind and the sound of our engine. After 20 minutes na pigaan ay narating na natin ang ating second stop. Ito ay ang Doha District kung saan may nakatagong mini truck. Dito nagpa-practice ang iba nating mga kagrupo bago sumabak sa malaking truck. At ito rin ang madalas nating tambayan yung mga time na hindi pa pinagbabawal. Pero bago pa man tayo makarating dito ay nagkaroon pa tayo ng isang aberya. At ang the lucky one ay si Tol Uno. Sa Jabber Bridge pa lang ay namataan na siya ay laging may pinupunasan. Dahil ang suspension oil seal niya pala ay tumagas na. Kinambalan pa ng flat tire niya. Hindi naman ganun kagrabe kaya diretso ang biyahe.
Tara na! Tara na! Tara na! Takinan nyo, tara na!
Hindi na rin tayo nagtagal dahil medyo mainit na ang panahon. We decided na dumiretso na sa aming last stop. At ang ating last stop,
Diba tayo? Diba tayo, Tal? Mga Tal? Ano?
Yan, bakit na yan?
Tal! Stoy! Nilinis pa rin, oh.
Ako gusto ano?
Kaya? Ha? Ano, mga Tol? Ano? Mga Tol?
Tayo meeting.
Gagi talaga.
kung saan bida ang saya. One of the best part of the ride is the moment that we finally get to eat and take a proper rest, when the exhaustion start to fade and our energy slowly returns. The fun conversation, reliving the highlights of the trip and the unexpected mishaps and those moments that are sure to remember. Another unforgettable experience added to our journey, and we will continue to ride together in embracing every mile and making more memories along the way. No matter where the road take us, it's not just about the distance we covered. It was about the friendship that deepened with every kilometer. We look back not just the road we travel, but the memories we created and stay with us forever. This is not about the motorcycle and destination. It's about the unspoken bond between riders, the support that we give to each other through every obstacle, and the joy of being surrounded by people who share the same passion and purpose. We may come from different paths, but the road brings us together as one, creating more stories and embracing every adventure that comes our way, and never stop chasing the freedom that only the open road can bring. Let's keep seeking new horizon, not just on the map, because as long as there are road to ride, our story will never be over. Ride safe and keep the passion alive. It's your Utol Tililing, Masalam.